we're going to need to triple the workforce in solar by 2030 to meet the solar generation demands. At the same time, we're going to deploy technology and robotics that can do dull, dangerous, dirty jobs. And that is really meeting the labor demand is one of the main reasons we need robotics and AI to do that. I'll talk a little bit about one is the cost savings. So the labor prices keep rising. There's some stats on that you've already seen. There's risk mitigation. So as I mentioned, dull, dirty, dangerous. Can a robot do something that was maybe typically not exciting, or could be a safety hazard? If the robot gets hurt, that's just a maintenance issue. And then the other piece is data analytics and how important data cleanliness is. So if you go out into the field, you use maybe your mobile app, that's great, you're taking data, but it's not a repeatable process necessarily, where a robot could go and fly, if it's a drone, fly to that exact same place, take an image the exact same way from the exact same angle every time, day in and day out, or a ground robot. So getting really clean, consistent data will help shed light into performance engineering issues or anything that are going on site. And then we just heard a great presentation about what's going on in DC. How do we think about the regulation? With robotic systems, a lot of times those can be made CapEx. The software and the hardware that goes together can be considered CapEx when you're designing and building that project, and then it's going to live on that site and continue to do its operations throughout the life cycle. There still is some OpEx with maintaining those robots, but it's going to be much less than the labor if a person had to do every task. So those are some of the main value drivers.